Hey guys, welcome back to Hooks Nation. Today I'm going to be putting the motor back in this 2005 YZ250F. Let's go. Okay boys, been working on her for a while now. Just threw the motor in, got her all nice in there, all tightened up. So now it's time to start putting on the carburetor, then the subframe. I'll just see you in a couple minutes. Okay guys, I'm like 3/4 of the way done now. Just working on putting the rads on and stuff. So next time I see you, I'll probably have her all together, and then we'll probably be able to start her up. Oh yeah guys, it's 1 in the morning, and I'm pretty much done. Just have her on her side right now, putting the skid plate on. Motors, everything's in there. All I need to do is put on the seat, fill her up with some new oil, and let's start her up.